This video will show you how to change a fraction to a decimal. To change a fraction to a decimal, you're going to divide. But to figure out what's being divided by what, just remember to bottom out. The number that's on the bottom, the denominator, should go outside the division sign. So bottom out. Once you remember that, add a decimal point and trailing zeros to the number on the inside of the division sign. Once you put the decimal point down below, don't forget to add it to the top of the division sign, and then divide like normal. 3 goes into 10 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract. You get 1. Bring down a 0 and start over again. 3 goes into 10 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract, you get 1 and bring down that last 0. 3 goes into 10 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract and you'll get a 1. This decimal will keep going on, but you can stop at 3 decimal places, so our answer is 333 thousandths. Our next example is 7/8. To get our decimal, we're going to divide. Remember to bottom out. The number that's at the bottom of the fraction should go outside the division sign. Also remember to put your decimal point and your trailing zeros. Once you do that and add your decimal point to the top, you can divide like normal. 8 goes into 70 8 times. 8 times 8 is 64. Subtract, bring down a 0 and start over. 8 goes into 60 7 times. 8 times 7 is 56. Subtract, you get 4 and bring down your last 0. 8 goes into 40 5 times. 8 times 5 is 40, and you subtract and you get 0. So we can stop. Our answer is 875 thousandths. Our last example is 2/11. So we're still going to divide to get our decimal. Don't forget to bottom out. The number on the bottom of the fraction should go outside the division sign. Once you add your decimal point and your trailing zeros, you can start. 11 goes into 20 one time, which is 11. Subtract and bring down the next 0. 11 goes into 90 8 times. 11 times 8 is 88. Subtract, you get 2, and bring down one more 0. 11 goes into 20 one time. 11 times 1 is 11. You subtract, and you would get 9. We could keep going, but 3 decimal places is good. So our answer is 181 thousandths.